when you have when you have worked very hard on yourself, when you have worked very hard to become a better person, when you have worked very hard on your energy, when you have worked, like you have worked very hard to become who you really are, especially at spiritual level, emotionally, right? Energetically. If you have worked very hard on yourself, you really understand the importance of, that mental peace, right? You really understand the importance of mental peace. You really understand the importance of you really understand the importance of being in high energy, high vibrational energy. You go through that difficult time when just try to be positive, try to have that positive mindset, even when you're going through something painful and difficult. You understand all these things because you go through all that toxicity, negativity, and you you know you crave that peace, you crave that peace, right? Calmness. So when you are surrounded by toxic and negative people, it just make you feel irritated and frustrated, right? So in this episode, I am going to share some important points so that you can protect yourself from toxic and negative people. Okay. So without any further delays, let's get into the video. Okay. So, in order to protect yourself from any kind of toxic people, the first thing that you need to understand is that never ever confront them. Okay. Whenever you try to confront someone who is toxic, who is not at a very high vibrational energy, no matter what you do, no matter what you say, they are not going to understand. Okay. So, if you are dealing with someone who is toxic, never try to confront them. Hey, you know what? You have done this wrong. Especially, you have this habit of correcting people, like, okay, I'm being honest person. I'm going to speak my truth that you have done this wrong. If you have this habit of speaking truth, don't do it with toxic people because they are never going to accept their mistakes. They are not willing to accept their mistake because they are not willing to grow. Whenever a person does not want to grow emotionally, mentally, spiritually, no matter what you do, no matter what you say, they are not going to accept their mistakes. They are not going to learn. They are not going to understand. Okay. It's like you are standing on top of the staircase, okay? And they are standing at the end of the staircase, okay? You are here and they are here. And you are trying to say something, and they are like, what? So, no matter what you say, no matter how hard you try, like to give them that knowledge, that understanding, they are not going to understand, they are not going to accept, and they are not going to change because they are not operating from the frequency of, you know, self growth. Okay. They are not at that place energetically, spiritually, mentally, intellectually, but they are not willing. Understand this word like willingness. Okay. They are not willing to change, they are not willing to grow. So, no matter how hard you try, they are not going to. So, don't waste your energy. So, never confront any toxic people, okay? Now, point number two, if you are dealing with someone who is very argumentative, who is always on the go and try to create fight and just, like unnecessary trauma, simply walk away. Okay, simply walk away. As I said in the beginning, if you have worked on yourself, if you have been through that hard time, you cherish that peace of mind. Okay, in this world, more than anything, my peace of mind is more important, right? If you have been through all that negativity, toxicity, where you just experience that people just just come and create that chaos, drama, confusion, you understand how, you understand the importance of you know having that peace, having that calmness, right? So if you have done this in a walk, then then never never react. Okay, never react, especially when you are dealing with someone who is naturally very argumentative. Just simply walk away so that you can protect your peace of mind. Okay, you are not participating in any kind of debate that sometimes we have this tendency to prove ourselves that yes, I am right. And sometimes we are actually right. But even if you are right in that moment, leave that conversation. Believe me or not, leave that conversation for your own peace of mind. So never react when you are dealing with someone who is very argumentative. Don't react, okay? Gracefully walk away. Creating boundaries. The next point that we are going to discuss is creating boundaries. When you are dealing with someone who is toxic, or let's say you are dealing with a narcissist, you really need to create a boundary. This is the line, and you are not allowed to cross this line, okay? People have this habit of crossing their limit, crossing their boundaries, and just sometimes when you create boundaries for yourself, people might perceive you as someone who is rude, arrogant, or you know but anyway, if you feel that there is a need for creating a healthy boundary, so that the relationship between you and the other person, you know so that peace, harmony can be maintained in that relationship that you have with other person, okay? So sometimes in order to maintain peace, harmony, love in relationships, in connections, you really have to draw boundaries, okay? Boundaries are part of a self love, okay? Understand that boundaries are not bad thing. A mature person will really, really respect your boundaries. Okay. So having boundaries in relationships is not actually a bad thing. Okay. You are just trying to maintain that peace, that harmony, that love. Every person is different in their own way. Okay. And sometimes we have a different life, sometimes we have different kind of purpose. Okay. So it is important to create that boundaries and really respecting the other person's, that okay. So sometimes you have to create boundaries, especially in those relationships when you know that the other person is like they are not operating from the frequency of like positivity, they are not very positive people. Okay. So sometimes you have to draw boundaries. Yeah, so that's all I have for this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.